Looking for the best Cuisinart coffee makers? In this video we look at some of the top 3 Cuisinart coffee makers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Cuisinart Grind and Brew Thermal 10 Cup. Pros: with features like its built-in beer grinder, thermal carafe, coffee strength selector, 8-ounce bean hopper, and charcoal filter, it's not just an attractive, modern kitchen tool but one that makes great tasting coffee. Cons: somewhat pricey. The design of the spout could be improved, tends to dribble when pouring. A few reports of lemons. Bottom line: a 12-pot coffee maker with exceptional features and beautiful looks. If you want a top model from the brand, this is the one to consider. At number 2, Cuisinart 14-cup glass carafe. Pros: garners praise for brewing great tasting coffee with its unique technology capable of maintaining very hot temperatures without compromising flavor. Has a large 14-cup capacity and attractive, modern looks. Cons: an occasional leak around the spout of the carafe has been reported. Control buttons and the LED display have been known to malfunction. Bottom line: this 14-cup maker has a lot to offer, including adjustable temperature to maintain control and brew strength variation technology. At number 1, Cuisinart 12-cup coffee maker and single-serve brewer. Pros: a unique concept offering traditional 12-cup and single-cup brewing all in one. Has coffee strength selector and is compatible with a variety of pods and K-cups. Cons: the 2-in-1 design comes with one of the highest price tags. Other concerns include occasional reservoir leaks and coffee spattering from the single brew side. Bottom line: while it's a modern machine with dual capabilities to brew traditionally or 1 cup at a time, it's large and impractical for coffee drinkers who prefer one method or the other. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.